ended up going to this tire shop right here. Finally got these put on. I got my hood messed up, the whole front end. I found a place where the dude has a bunch of G-bodies, so I stopped by right there. Got the parts real quick. I got everything I need right here. The fender, the grill, the front. Guys, I'm here at Pasadena Auto Body Shop. I took my car here, get it fixed. I got this part, came out good. Still need to do some paint on it. Alright guys, welcome to episode 2. Finally got my car fixed up, painted up. The front came out good. Got the brand new chrome glass. Some fancy lights. Yeah, let me show you the lights real quick. Get a close up of the spaceship. So yeah, right now we're posted up at the lowrider meet that we do here.
It's all been modified, so it's not going to be the same.
I just put up to a bar, about to call it a night.
This beer, I give it a 9 out of 10.
Look at that.
Metaphorically, historically, I'm kicking bitches out like